What's going on, YouTube? Alright, we're gonna pick a lock. Hopefully I don't make a fool of myself. It has been a while. And what I have got here today is one I got from Bronx in the last package he sent me. This one is a Chris Ahrens, which I've never picked one of his locks before. There's his little cross, and then I'm gonna guess and say it's number 26. And wicked little key. This could prove to be a little interesting. Alright. Tells you how much I use them. I don't even have them out. It's like well, it is a quick set keyway. So 50 on top. And we will start off with my favorite short hook in 23. Wrong way. Alright, let's see what damage I can do. Let's go the other way. That was a click off of 3, I believe. That was a click off of 2. Let's see here. Oh, that's a gem. Here it is. We're gonna go with the DeForest diamond. Alright, that was a good click off of 5. Got counter on 4. Lost the false set. Got it back with 5. Yeah, that was an overset. That was 3. No, that was 4. A couple of crunches out of 4. That was 3 that time. 4. Gotta get something shorter to get up underneath pin 5. And it's not wanting to give anything. Alright. I didn't even count the pins in the lock, so I don't know if it's a 5 or a 6 pin. We'll find that out together. Yeah, overset. Alright, we're going to go the other way. That's 4. Give me a little bit more counter. I'm going to leave that for now. That's want to keep oversetting. He had to have rounded the top off of that pin too. I do the same thing. That's what causes all the fun counter, and then it's an overset city. Either that or I'm just really rusty and I'm making up excuses. But I'll never tell which one it is. Alright, so either we're stuck on a T-pin, a pin and pin, or a very, very sharp spool and some undercut. And I guessed right there that time. Number 5 was a really, really deep spool. Alright, let me make sure I got a pinning tray. Should have done that before I started the camera. Alright, y'all are gonna have to deal with some of my pins being on there. Well, maybe not. Oh, this one's a little bit more empty. We'll use this one. Forgot my other pinning tray I just made up by my printer. Stick that over there. And there it is. Alright, and while I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get this apart, I'm going to give you all the same spiel I give all the time. If you don't know who Chris Ahrens is, go check out his channel. Same thing for Bronx. You should be ashamed of yourself if you're watching my videos and you don't know who they are. Also, my Discord always goes down in the description. I expect to start seeing some people showing up there. We've got a lot of great guys on there, great pickers. Strami just recently joined. So did Dark Arts. Dark Arts Lockpicking. They both just recently joined the Discord. Got a lot of great pickers just showing up there now, and y'all need to come and check it out. Alright. All the pins are in and working. I can't tell exactly what that one is. If y'all haven't noticed, I should be probably half blind. I wear glasses and I still can't see much. Alright, that one's stuck. Alrighty. Number 1's the only one that has anything done to it. I just found my flashlight and I lost it again. Oh, I left it up there. And he grabbed that. Let's see. Looks like he's got some undercutting in this one. Yep. One, two, 3, and 5 are all undercut. And that is very, very good undercutting. That would explain why I had no feedback off of number 5. I'm gonna have to get my area back together. Alright, number 1 is a very nice multi-step spool with a steel spring. Two is, looks like an ASA pin almost. 3 is a very wicked, either wide serrations or narrow spools. There it is. Looks like these are all going to be the same springs. Yeah, these Defiance can make some pretty mean locks. Ah, that would explain the... explain the reason I had no feedback. Good sharp edge on that pin. I think I saw how he came out. Yeah, because that one's just a standard, looks like a key pin out of a quick set. Alright. I'm not even gonna shine a light down the plug because all the little brass plugs in the top are still there. So, let's take a look at what Chris Ahrens put in this lock that I got from Bronx Lock Picker. Those are some amazing pins in there. I haven't picked in so long, even my camera forgot how to focus. Alright, I hope that's showing up. Got a... I'm going to call that like a reverse taper top. Almost hourglass. Which those pins can be kind of fun. I've made a few of them myself. And then a couple of serrations under it. And above there it's a spool, a stepped spool. Choose a standard. And that almost looks like it might be a pin and pin. Nope. Just one really deep cut. And looks like a real narrow or a real wide spool and then a very deep serration. Number 3 is either wide serrations or narrow spools. Number 4 is got a taper on it, which makes it easier to set. And number 5 is a double spool, and all steel springs in the top. Let's see, Will it pick it up? There we are. I don't remember who started this, but I caught it on one of their videos and I give them props for doing it. I don't remember who did it, but it gives you a nice idea of what the pins look like showing them from the front and the side. Alright folks, I expect to start seeing more people showing up on Discord. The giveaway is going to happen real soon. It got delayed because of life happens. I've got some awesome stuff going in there. I've got one of these from Bronx that he donated, his everyday carry pouch. This one, I don't know if this one or the other one's going in there. I still have yet to actually sit down and play with them. This is my first time actually having it out of the package. But yeah, one of these will go in there. I got all kinds of 3D stuff that I'm making up. I know you heard the 3D printer going. That's actually my older one. Got that back up and running finally. But yeah. Yeah, until next time folks, I'm going to try posting another video or two tonight. Just get ahead of the mess and the week, and I will catch y'all later. See ya.